Leaky transmission? Grinding brakes? Poor performance? It sounds like it's time for a trip to locally owned Red Line Transmission, Boise's premier full-service auto repair and maintenance shop that specializes in transmission repair, rebuilds, and replacement for all makes and models. Our team of expert auto repair technicians love helping our friends and neighbors keep their foreign and domestic vehicles running great by providing top-notch service from the minute they enter the garage. You can count on our crew for factory auto maintenance, including oil changes and fluid flushes, as well as complicated engine diagnostics and repair, brake repair, suspension and steering service, driveline repair, or anything else your car, truck, or SUV needs to run great. Red Line Transmission specializes in manual and automatic transmission service in Boise. From minor maintenance to complex repairs, full rebuilds, or complete transmission replacements, we'll have you shifting smooth in no time. At the first sign of car trouble, call Red Line Transmission or visit our website to schedule expert auto repair in Boise.